Hi, I'm Della Haywood, creator of SpectraFix Natural Artist Materials, and today I'd like to introduce you to our latest edition, Natural Glass FinalFix. Now this is an advanced fixative which will enable you to not have to frame with glass. Now here I have a piece of card that has a heavy application of pastel on it, and I've dusted off the excess, but it is not fixed yet. So I'm just going to use our beautiful new refillable aerosol bottles and give it a light coating. Not so much that it runs off. There we go. It's wet, but not runny. And we'll just lay it down to dry. Now you can see it does shift the color quite a bit when it's wet, but if you look over on the left side, you can see it's drying quite rapidly. And pretty soon it will come back to almost exactly the original color. And all those spits and spots will dry up too. And here it goes, just after one coat, very little comes off on my finger. You see, there's very little on my fingertip. But we're going to give it another coating just to be sure. And there we go. That's enough. It's quite wet, and we'll just set that down to dry. Now, best practices are always to spray as you go, and that will adhere your pastel to your substrate and allow you to maintain complete chromatic control. Now, here it is dry. You can see it does have a little color shift, but not much. It is not budging at all. I'm pressing very hard. There we go, no pastel is coming off. I've been letting this sit for a couple of days so that the casein cures. And now I'm going to just take a little bit of fresh, clean water and brush it over, and as you can see, the pastel does not shift at all. Now this is very handy if you're framing without glass and your painting encounters a little oopsie, and maybe get something spilled on it or it gets a little dust. You can come in and clean it with just some clean water. There it goes. You see, it's not budging at all. Now, if you scrubbed at it and let it soak, you might be able to get it to move. But just gently and getting it wet there with some nice clean distilled water, you should be fine. There it is. It's not moving at all. And that will dry right back to its original color. See? And that's Natural Glass FinalFix. 100% natural, no fumes, no odors, and completely archival.